Good morning, class. How are you? Let's start off with our good morning song. Good morning, class. How do you do? Good morning, class. How do you do? We're so very glad to see you. How do you do? Okay, class. Next, let's do our days of the week. You got it. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, you guys. Yesterday was Sunday, so today is, what did you say? Today is Monday. And guess what? We have encountered a new month. Our new month is April. Can you all say April? Let's spell April. A-P-R-I-L. It is April, and our day is the 6th. So let's count up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 1 is 6. Our year is, what did you guys say? 2020. And our unit of study this week, you guys, is spring and gardening. And our shape is, it's a new shape. I think Miss Doyle covered it with you guys last week. It is a hexagon. Let's see how many sides a hexagon has. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the hexagon has 6 sides. And what is our shape? Our color, I'm sorry. Our color is the color. What color is that? Purple. And what is it? A purple what? A purple flower. All right. And by us covering spring and gardening, this is the perfect picture because we have our purple flower. And what do we eat for snacks sometimes? If our parents cut it the right way. What is this fruit called? What did you say? Grapes? Yes, Miss Shree loves grapes. And our letter is the letter. What letter is this? Do you guys remember this letter? The letter what? The letter X. Let's make an X in the air. All right. Great job, you guys. X for X-ray. And our number is the number 10. Let's count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, you guys. Give yourself a pat on the back. You all are excellent. Let's see what we're going to do next. Now, if you guys have a pencil and paper, we are going to do, since we're doing gardening, Miss Shree is going to draw a flower, and I would like for you guys to draw a flower as well. If you need help from your parents, get them to help you. So here we go. I'm not an artist, but I will try. We got our circle for our flower. We got a little lion. We got the leaves of the flower. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm going to make a sunflower. Y'all ready for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give it one more to match our number 10. 10. And by it being a sunflower, you guys, let's give it some little specks. All right. Another flower that Miss Shree likes is the tulip. Let's see if I can draw a tulip though. We're going to first start off with the line. Going to bring it up. We're going to give it a dip. Another dip. Another line up. And a dip. Got to give it some leaves. All right. This is our little flowers. So, for homework tonight, you guys, I would like for you all to practice writing a letter. What letter did we say this was? Writing the letter X 10 times with your parent, okay? And practice writing the number 10 times as well for learning practice. Now also, Miss Shree has a good book for you guys. It is, hold on, give me a minute. Let me set this down. All right, what part of the book is this? The what? The front. Okay, we got the back and the spine. Great job. Now, who writes the words? The author. Okay. And who draws the wonderful pictures? The illustrator. Great job. All right. Now, the name of this book is In the Tall, Tall Grass. And the author of this book is Denise Fleming. So let's get started, you guys. Can y'all see? In the tall, tall grass. Crunch, munch, caterpillar's lunch. Dart, zip, hummingbird, sip. What do you guys think the hummingbird is sipping? Maybe some sweet nectar, maybe? Who knows? Strong drum, bees hum. What do our bees give us? They give us, what can we get from bees? Honey? All right, great job, you guys. Crack, snap, wings flap. Y'all see this bird? What color is this bird? This bird is our color, right? He is, did y'all say purple? Good job. Pull, tug, and slug. Let's count our ants. 1, 2, 3. 3 ants. And how many legs does the ant have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many antennae? How many? Let's count. 1, 2. Great job, you guys. Let's see. I don't want to skip a page. Slip, slide, snakes glide. Ooh, y'all know Miss Shree know I'm going to skip this page, right? I don't like snakes. Rich, ratch, mole, scratch. Skitter, scurry, beetles, hurry. What are they on their way to? Let's see. Zip, zap, tongue, snap. What do you guys think these frogs are going to eat? Some type of insect maybe? Flies? We'll see. Hip hop, ears flop. Do you guys remember when we had Lana the iguana come and visit our classroom? She brought a rabbit and his name was Brown. You guys remember that? Yes, we had a wonderful time that day. Stop, go. Fireflies glow. Long, loose, best swoop. When do best come out? Do they come out in the night or the day? The night, so that means they are nocturnal creatures. Stars bright, moonlight. Good night, tall, tall grass. Thank you guys for joining me today. I will meet you all again tomorrow. Thank you so much, and I miss you guys. Bye-bye.